Welcome back, everybody. Unless you are new to my channel, then welcome to my channel. I'm sitting in a 1983 280ZX. A lot of people purchase this vehicle with intentions on restoring it or bringing it back to its most beautiful stock life that it was. Clean body lines, fresh paint, new interior, but of course keeping as much classic feel as they possibly can. Yeah, this car can't stay stock. And I think we all know the first thing to go on this car are these disgusting seats. There's a car seat under a car seat. Disgusting. Do you have a dust mask? I would like one. Oh yeah, that's way better. Yeah. Okay. It's empty. One down. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh. Oh, that's nasty. I was supposed to put it in the trash bag. Sorry, guys. Don't litter. Get in there now, buddy. Go ahead. What should I do? Just take all this stuff out? Like,
yeah, just send it. Just send it.
fuck it. Goodbye, plastic. Don't forget to recycle. Oh God! That was hard. It was difficult.
Would you break?
We probably should have got that on camera, huh? Yo! I didn't break anything, but this thing is loose now, kind of.
What happens when your car is 1,006 years old?
Dude, there's like sand from like the Sahara all over the place or something. go-go. Not the hoodie, sorry. This got go-go. Okay, so this detailing right here on the door, it's like, I don't know, super old. It says Datsun 280ZX on it. It's like one of my favorite parts of the whole car. So we're gonna take out these door panels, but I really want to conserve this. I plan on using it. I plan to incorporate it somehow into the NOOB build. So I'd like to conserve it as much as possible. Let's just see how it goes. Oh. That was anticlimactic. The last two things we're gonna do, this nasty headliner, because it's disgusting, and then the console. But I'm gonna leave the dash because I don't really know what to do with it yet, honestly. Okay, bye. See you later. Okay, bye. Go, cause ain't no time for safety around here. And I'm spinning, and I'm spinning, and I'm spinning. It makes me uncomfortable that this one wasn't as tight as the passenger one. Mm-hmm. We don't ask questions, but clearly somebody had priority. I've never seen what like a seatbelt looks like before. I mean, it's just a seatbelt, I guess, but like. Hello. Cool. Is this what all seatbelts look like, or just old seatbelts? Look at this. It's full of bolts that I'm never gonna know what went where.
What are you gonna do with the seatbelt now?
I threw it on the ground. Probably.
Bet you won't.
That's all I got. The last thing to go, we're gonna take out the center console, but look how cool this is. It's like a bunch of info about my tires and stuff. I don't know. Also, my maximum load capacity is only 420 pounds. I can only take like 3 average sized people around with me. No free rides.
Yikes.
What's going on back here? How do I get this out? I don't want to break it. Oh yeah. Yeah! Yeah! Whoa! Stinky. Whoa!
Alright, now what part is that?
Shifter.
Which is attached to the...
I don't know, my transmission.
There you go. That's all.
This looks like it's seen better days. So, Yeah. A 280ZX graveyard. A literal graveyard. That's how you take apart a 280. Okay, I'm exhausted. Let's put this thing back in the garage. Oh, I took the seats out, bro. Oh, I can't see over the steering wheel. Today I stripped the interior of a car for the first time. Really dusty, really disgusting, gross. There are bolts in everything. They really don't want you to take apart your car, guys. They really want, manufacturers really want you to keep that thing stopped. Car seats aren't as heavy as I thought, and there's a wire and a bolt for everything. Had a lot of fun. I like destroying stuff, so as you can see. I left in speakers, wiring, and the dash. Don't know what to do with the dash, so I left it in. Not even going to play with that today. I did strip everything else, door panels and all. I'm not excited to put it back together, but it's going to look really awesome when it's done. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you love me or my car. Okay, bye.